Welcome back to my channel. If you're into mechanical keyboards, then you already know keycaps are more than just plastic covers. They change how your keyboard feels, how it sounds, and honestly, how cool it looks on your desk. Even after all these years in the hobby, GMK is still the brand I think of first when it comes to keycaps. Lately though, I found a pretty cool new brand. The keycaps are really well made, and even though they use a totally different material from GMK, the price is way more affordable. It's called KeyTok. Keycaps are the part you touch every time you type. But a lot of people don't realize how much they actually affect your keyboard experience. Colors, fonts, vibes, smooth or textured, soft or firm, and of course the typing sound. GMK is kind of the holy grail when it comes to keycaps. They're made in Germany, using high-end ABS plastic double-shot molding and super accurate colors. It feels smooth and refined, and the typing sound is sharp and clacked, especially on a bare aluminum board with no foam. But GMK doesn't come cheap. Most sets start at around $120 and full sets up to $200 and more. If you're new to the hobby, it can definitely be a little intimidating. KeyTok uses PBT plastic with 5-side dye sublimation. That means they're more resistant to wear and they don't develop shine over time. Even after long-term use, the surface stays dry and grippy. Dye sub legends are still super sharp and vibrant, and their theme designs are amazing. I've got 2 sets here, one based on the Wandering Earth and another inspired by Godzilla. The designs feel bold and expressive, but not cluttered or messy. There's a really nice sense of balance in the visual layout. So how do they feel when you type? GMK's ABS plastic feels soft and smooth, keystrokes are light, and the sound leans toward the higher-pitched clack. KeyTok feels firmer with a slight texture, the typing experience is dry, solid, and the sound is deeper and more thocky. Let's do a sound test, compare both side by side. If you're into clacky sounds, then GMK with a no-foam setup gives you that signature clack. But if you want something heavier and deeper, KeyTok on a foam-filled board really delivers that satisfying thok. In terms of visual style, GMK leans into minimalism, usually just 2 or 3 colors. It looks elegant and goes well with just about any setup. KeyTok, on the other hand, is bolder and more modern. Their sets have stronger themes and a younger vibe, but even with all that, the designs still feel clean, not overwhelming. That really impressed me a lot. So here's the takeaway. If you're after a premium collectible keycap, experience something refined, clean, and timeless, GMK is still king. But if you want something more practical and durable for daily use with cool designs and clear legends, KeyTok is definitely worth checking out. If you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe for more keyboard content, and I will see you in next one.